side, and today a product that was not sent to me by the company, but something that I wanted to unbox and show you. We have an RCA to XLR cable. This is a 3.3 foot RCA to XLR cable. Nothing, really to show you around the packaging here, but this is what you get. You even have a nice little Velcro tie there. I like it. And if I was to, oh, wow, and a twist tie, hold on. 3.3 feet. And essentially, you would take this to plug in to a DJ controller from a mixing board. So let me show you real quick. So for example, I have this Yamaha mixer here. I can take this XLR side and plug in right here into channel 4 or through 2 or 1. And then these go over to my DJ controller, where that red, of course, should go to red like so, and then blue essentially will go to white. This is essentially what this would be used for. And so now I'm able to plug this with the USB cable into my laptop, and then when I play sound, I can control everything through my DJ controller that pumps the sound into my mixer, that pumps the sound out to my speakers. So that's essentially what this little 3.3 foot RCA to XLR adapter would do. And so that'll do it for this little video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.